Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. In Congress this week, a new version of the National Defense Authorization Act did not include cannabis banking reform. Senator Schumer has insisted on focusing on full marijuana reform instead of just tackling safe banking. At the last minute, Representative Perlmutter filed an amendment in committee to attach the marijuana language to the legislation, but he ultimately didn't insist on a vote, and so it wasn't included. This week included National Brownie Day, and what better way to celebrate than creating the world's largest edible infused brownie, and MaryMed did just that. They unveiled the world's largest cannabis-infused brownie in celebration of the launch of their new brand, Bubby's Baked. The news went crazy, even landing on Jimmy Kimmel Show. There were a few acquisitions this week to discuss. Tilray is buying Breckenridge Distillery, a leading distilled spirits platform located in, you guessed it, Breckenridge, Colorado. It is widely known for its award-winning bourbon whiskey collection. Now, they didn't disclose how much they paid for the company, but they did say that the acquisition would be immediately accretive to EBITDA. Agrify is buying the extraction company Pure Pressure for $9 million. Pure Pressure engages in solventless extraction and advanced ice water hash processing in the cannabis and hemp industry. Fire & Flower is buying Pineapple Express Delivery, Canada's largest delivery and logistics company serving the cannabis sector, in a deal valued at $5.3 million. In money moves, Schwazi has entered into a purchase agreement for $95 million of principal and $93 million of funding in a convertible note. High Tide announced that it was going to issue up to $40 million in Canadian dollars of common shares at the company's discretion and subject to regulatory requirements. Cannara Biotech reported total revenue this week of $6.5 million for the fourth fiscal quarter. The company also delivered net income of $1.1 million, which was an increase over last year's net loss of $3.9 million for the same time period. And finally, Chicago Atlantic Real Estate Finance priced its common stock at a public offering price of $16 per share. The shares began trading this week on the NASDAQ using the symbol REFI. And those are the big headlines this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt with the Green Market Report.